Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this firenado in a forest.
So what was the largest wildfire ever recorded?
Alright, let's run through the colors.
Phthalo blue, twin blue, phthalo green, primary yellow, Indian yellow, burnt umber, twin red, rolly red, titanium white, Mars black.
Alright, for this painting we're going to do a firenado. We're going to have kind of a, in the background there's like fire engine and stuff, but I don't want to paint that. It's just too much work for no gain. I want to have kind of the forest, the street, empty street, have the grass right here, and then have the firenado coming out of the fire that's in the background here. It doesn't reach all the way up, so it's kind of, it's more like, not like a true tornado, but it's more like a firestorm. So this is more of a firestorm versus a tornado, and then you have this kind of a dark background that kind of is really hazy with smoke. I might make that darker, we'll see how that plays out. So I'm going to play with that, see what I can get in the sky. It looks pretty good, but it's just that one layer, so it's really light at this point, so I need to add that in, build that up a little bit more. Build the fire building up. This probably should be tamed down. It's a little bit too wild on this side, same here. And we'll see how we patch that in to make, you know, sporadic fires in here. Right now it's just kind of this orange blob, so.
So the largest wildfire was in 1910. It's called the Great Fire of 1910, and it hit the Montana, Idaho area, and it swept across a huge land that was, you know, very low density of population. So it's very hard to fight this fire and get people out there and fight it actively. It killed about 87 people, but the mass of the fire was 3 million acres. So really a huge land mass was burned down in one single fire in 1910.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look.
So this has a lot of fury to it.
this fire kind of forming into horns, so to say, with a double tornado kind of swooping up the fire into its fury. We got the whole landscape in the background is basically on fire, so it's just basically one color, kind of this rose to red to orange. And then we have kind of these trees poking through the fire from the ridge line with the road down the middle. I made the road a little bit lighter, so it kind of makes the painting pop because it's a very dark painting otherwise. So you have the orange and the light rands are kind of the lighter ones, and everything else is very dark. It obviously has to read pretty dark because it is a night sky, and this firenado is kind of the dominating elements, which I think pretty much it is. It looks kind of satanic with the double horns. Maybe we'll have a Satanist buy this, but hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.